National Weather Service in Lake Charles has extended the flash flood warning for northwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, south central Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, Alton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, east central Illinois Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Little Parish in west central Louisiana. At 1:21 a.m. Central Standard Time, local law enforcement reported flash flooding in near Elizabeth. Between 7 and 12 inches of rain had fallen. Additional rainfall amounting to 4 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oakdale, Oberlin, Glenrock, Elizabeth, Reeves, Liddy, Dry Creek, Grant, LeCompte, Alton Parish Airport, Harmony, LeBlanc, Forest Hill, McNary, and Union Hill. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request Glendora, Elizabeth. Service when you can do so safely. At 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, the Central... Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
John from Maine.